Welcome to the StoneX Academy training series. In this episode, we're going to go over how to create a surface in our surface creation tab. You can do this from the home screen in New Workspace or inside your job list from the grade screen. To do that, hit the over arrow and go to your file folder. Then go to the plus sign up at the top, and here is the list of all of the surfaces that you can create. The first option is a flat model. Hit the add button at the bottom and it will give you your flat model layout. Here is where you can change the dimensions of this model. And then all you would do is hit save. The next option, back in the same spot, is going to be a sloping model. You will need at least 2 points to do this model. So select the first point, drive the machine forward, and select the next point. We'll go into our 3D mode and you can see the model. You can also edit this model as well for your sloping distance, the width of the model, and the length. The next model is going to be our ditching. Be careful how you orientate your machine, as that will determine which direction the ditch is going to be. This is going to be the measurements of each section that you can edit. In our 3D mode, you can see how it's orientated, and going into edit, you can change the heading, which will rotate the model, and then each individual line you can change the measurement of. Our next model is just going to be a boundary. So you would just drive the area, collecting points as you went, and it will then create a boundary, and then you can set the elevation of which you want it to be. Zooming in here to our 3D view, you can see the small boundary that I made. The next model is going to be trenching. And it would just be the same concept. You're just going to drive the machine and collect points as you go. And just like before, you can click edit and see it in the 3D view and adjust as needed. Our next model is going to be a volume surface. Same concept applies. You're going to drive the machine around and collect points. Thank you for watching this episode, and tune in for the next one.